This is Mabel Davis, and I'm doing my presentation on Miss Sabrina Fontes, and it will be about her, basically her personality profile. She is a member of the LinkedIn Network, an agency that posts jobs that are available in locations you choose. The management tool that provides the person's value, skills, and job performance trait, and her type and qualifications. Slide 2. Education. She has a 2-year degree at Wayne Community College, and then she went 4 years at Wayne State University and received her bachelor's degree and continued to receive her MBA in business administration. A management tool that provides the person's value, skills, and job performance, her trait and type of qualifications. The MyMark test, a biometric test that gives Sabrina a chance to explore opportunities that changed her life. Ms. Fontes is a human resources representative and director for the Henry Ford Healthcare System. Slide 3. She has taken the MBTI test for strong points and strengths in her character, curiosity, hope, and perspective, and leadership. The VIA is a research-based survey that measures your strengths in a short period of time. The MBA is based specifically on the theory by Carl Jung. Sabrina was diagnosed during her year post searching for a job, and she was referred to a behavioral therapist, and her treatment is fine now. She manages her ups, downs, and lows, and she's able to manage. The exact cause of bipolar disorder at this time, is not known at this time. It can be genetic or environmental factor. The causes vary from person to person. She has slide 7. She has great communication skills and ability to recruit employees for the right positions. A human resource specialist has really decent, nice, generous salaries in the 5- and 6-figure income. Finding a job in LinkedIn would allow you to be closer to your family, make better presentations focusing on your audience from the course, LinkedIn Learning Highlights. Her skills as a person that has went through the MBIT has said that she has good problem-solving skills and has a strong communication skills, able to recruit the right people for the right jobs. According to the MyMark biometric test, it gave Sabrina a chance to explore her opportunities that changed her life. And that is the end of my presentation.